Back when we were still living in California, my wife and I would go to dinner dates in these fancy restaurants, our favorite. And one of our favorites really is this dessert called the lavacake. Today I'm gonna attempt to cook lavacake to surprise my wife. Let's find out if this is gonna be an epic fail or a success. Join me and watch till the end and find out. Hi, I'm Red, the Cooking Dad. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you get notified when I upload new videos. First, I separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. I used 3 eggs. So I'm gonna set aside the egg yolk first. What we're gonna do is we're gonna beat the egg whites until it's fluffy. Then we're also gonna add white sugar slowly. So it should look like this, like thick and fluffy. And let's prep our molds by putting melted butter. Need this so that it won't stick and it's easy for us to remove the cake later. We're also gonna put flour around this molds, coat it. Now we're gonna add our sugar, flour, a little bit of salt, and our egg. We're gonna add the egg yolks. And just mix. Also gonna slowly add our egg white. Just fold it. And of course our lava. Main ingredients, which is the chocolate. Let's pour our chocolate into our molds. And we're gonna bake this for 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. For 10 minutes, and into the oven it will go. Well guys, I think this is a success. Look, it's gone in less than 5 minutes. family loved it, our guests loved it. I can make this again.
If you like this video, smash that like button. How about 1,000 likes, please? Turn on notifications and please subscribe. See you soon.